This is day 3 for us. Day 5 for Aniela and Josh. We have just spent all morning getting on the pool, and now we're going to go do an electric tuk-tuk ride around the city. We're going to go see Diocletian's Palace. We're also going to go see Marjin Hill. Hold on, show you Aniela. Cheers. Cheers. Happy holidays. Durham. So we've just come here to get a drink really quickly, and then over there, I don't know if you see them, the electric tuk-tuks. We're about to go on those for the next couple of hours. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh my god. What's the fastest these things go?
45 kilometers per hour.
Oh, there you go. You're right.
Limited, you know, but what can you do? Okay, guys. So as I told you, my name is Mattia. You can call me Matt if that's easier for you. Okay? I will be your driver and your guide for today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my hometown that I will show you today. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask me. Okay?
Thank you.
And this is a really nice city, so a lot of young people, a lot of students, you know, especially during the summer, a lot of tourists also. And also this is the second largest city in all of Croatia. It has a population of around 200,000 people, a little bit less.
What's the largest city?
The biggest and the capital city is Zagreb in the north of our country. It has around 700,000 people.
Oh, right.
And
That's
Dubrovnik.
still not, no, that's not a lot of people.
So guys, over here, this will be our first stop.
Oh.
This is our memorial park of Stratpark, or the St. Stephen's Park. And this park used to be a cemetery a long time ago.
Oh, it's the anxiety I have right now.
If I fill my bag up with air, I can float on it.
You fucking idiots.
It ain't gonna fall far, there's a rock just there.
Thank you, Ash.
Nice, nice one. So he'll fall. Hey, hey. So we have. Do you remember what the place is called? No, I don't remember what the place is. So we've just started. We've got off on our first stop on the tuk-tuk ride. I want to say Star something Park, but it is really nice. I've just shown you the view of the beautiful water. All the boys are stopping and having a fag. So, and I'm just here to look pretty. And we're just going to stroll around. I will.
You've actually got a pen. I don't have that luxury at work.
Yeah, one thing I learned when you go on holiday, always take a Sharpie.
So you can write your name in.
Yeah, yeah, because we went to the smallest street in Prague and everyone had written their names and it was like, oh, I should have brought a Sharpie.
I'll just write mine in yours. No, you start looking for clues. Josh ain't gonna say it. I'm just trying to make it feel better. So guys, over here, that big hill that you can see, that's the hill of Marjin. So
oh, we're going up there later?
Yeah, we'll go there later. So Marjin, that's a park, a hill and a forest.
I've heard sunset's really nice there.
Yeah, over there. I'll show you the beach where the sunsets are nice. You can also go in the park. We cannot go inside with the tuk-tuk. You can go there with the bike or on foot. You know, it's a really big park. You can do all kinds of activities there and everything. Okay. Also, you can go swimming in the park. There are a lot of beaches, you know. You can basically put your towel on the beach and
what's the best beach in Split, in your opinion?
Now we're gonna go to that beach.
Ah, nice.
So that will be our next stop. That's the beach of Kasjuni.
Oh, Kasjuni.
That's what they said. Is it taxi driver?
Yeah, our taxi driver said the same.
That's where I like to go if I swim in the city. If I go somewhere else, I mean, there are better beaches outside of the city, of course. Right,
got you.
But inside the city, this is the best beach, okay? This is the art gallery of Ivan Meštrović. Ah. He was our famous sculptor. And later, inside the city center, we will see one big sculpture that was made by Ivan Meštrović. I'll get it.
That's just. Oh no, you're right. He's running. He likes a hike.
He likes a hike.
He does. Look at his short little legs.
You must have bought an adult-sized hat.
Go on, Ash. So small in this.
Drive.
And the first place goes to...
Maybe don't wear it.
You're going too fast.
Going too fast.
Yeah, super speed, you know. So guys, over here, you can see two churches built in the rock over there. You see one over there?
Yeah,
there's a way over there.
Oh,
there's
okay.
a way.
Wow. Christmas weather.
So guys, the beach is down there. We will make...
and what, that's Kasjuni Beach?
Kasjuni, yeah. And then we can. I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's like 20-30 euros the whole day, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So now, guys, we'll go to this hill over here. First, we'll go through the tunnel that goes under the hill of Marjin to the other side, and then we'll drive to one of the tops, from where we'll have a nice view.
Lovely.
And also, when the tunnel was built in 1980, actually 1979, all the rocks from the tunnel, they were placed over there to make that breakwater over there, you see?
Oh wow!
So now it detects the... Here we go. That wasn't too scary.
No, that was nice. We are just at the top of... Oh, I'm not going to be able to get it in with our Marjin Hill. Trying to see if the building looks pink on the camera. So he said this used to be a morgue, but now it's a bar. Yeah.
So guys, material for building his palace. So all these columns over here, as you can see, he brought 200. And the only place where you can actually see the bronze is his big toe.
It's good though, isn't it?
You look a bit like a toe. Oh, you got good memory. Remembering who's ordered. So we've got here the beef Wellington. What steak did you get, Ash?
Beef ribs.
Oh, beef ribs. Oh, my broccoli.
That looks amazing.
My broccoli. Oh, they look good.
Would you like to see my onion rings?
Good onion rings and truffle mash. You got truffle mash as well, didn't you? Mash is delicious.
It is, isn't it? For an onion ring, just like I've done.
That's right, you can still cut into it. Good? You can eat it.
Monkfish. I love monkfish.
So we got, what did you get?
Fillet.
Filet. Ribeye.
Huh?
Apparently the best ice cream in Split.
Lavender ice cream.
Lavender. So we're just walking and finding somewhere to watch the football and have dinner tonight. Morning. It's Wednesday morning, about 8:15. We're just waiting for our car rental to come. Josh is driving the first day and Ash the second day. And we're going to be heading to Krka Waterfalls and then probably stop off at a few other waterfalls that we've got to save somewhere. So yeah, take you with. Right, this is our car that we've got for 2 days.
Josh was right, I need a little...
Need a plastic steering wheel. Oh, fine, man.
We've just got parked our car about 10 minutes away and we've walked through a lovely little town and we're just heading to the water now to hopefully get on our boat, if we didn't miss it, into the park. Isn't it? Oh, I didn't realise it would have any of this. This is the boat that we are currently boarded. lizard looking in the face as well, isn't he? The fish expert. You're telling me you don't know every single species of a fish?
On the sea. I thought you were like Jeremy Wade.
I know everything about fish. Thank you.
Jordan knows everything about
No,
fish.
no.
Give us one good fish fact.
Yeah, I don't even know how to catch them.
It's bullshit that they only have 5-second memory.
Whoa, they grow watermelon here?
Look!
So I'm pretty sure it's like this the whole way round. It's no like rocky terrain or anything. Well, I just tripped, so I might end up in.
Hey,
You excited, Daniela?
so excited.
Yeah.
You look like you're loving life.
I'm always loving life, especially on the strip.
With us.
I mean, this was another boat. One to remember.
A slow one. Ooh. Doing what we do best. Rolling fags. Cycling.
I'm not.
Well done.
I will be in a minute.
How's your other flavour? What did you go for?
Lemon.
And how's the lemon?
It's nice, but I think it's like an icy sorbet.
Oh, sorbet, yeah. What did you think to apple? It's crazy, isn't it?
That's so potent, isn't it?
Like, it's like, have you ever had bubba bubba?
Very busy here, but very, very beautiful. Yeah, a lot of people. Very cool, but still muggy today as well. Just walking over the beach.
Someone's dropped their phone in there.
Now heading up into the woods. I think it's a different view.
€2, Željko, sino,
Yeah, power plant.
Oh, that would have been in that building.
Yeah. I'm amazed at how, like, I thought it was going to be like a field in the middle of nowhere, but it's really like there's a lot of stalls of people selling oil and wine, which is what Croatia's known for, which is really nice. Loads of food stalls. You would have just seen the necklaces. Oh, yeah, there's a car. See, now we're here, that doesn't look so far away.
Yeah, it's just a quick jump across that big gorge.
So right, up inside, did I not tell
I
you?
do wish I could fly something.
You can do
Yeah.
a zip line here. One of the guys in our taxi recommended it, but that's probably, I'd shit my pants, I think. I just want to jump in it. Oh, what are these fishies? They'll tell us in a minute. Sharks?
Trout. I don't know about that.
Big shark.
Jordan's been using the AI technology on his phone to tell us what all the fishies are. I don't know if they'll pick them up. They look like they've got like a bit shiny on them. A rare Pokemon. I'm glad you've done that, Josh, because I've done that twice already.
Did you not see his mouth man?
No, I
You're
didn't.
pointing your camera at it, like, where that butterfly.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's loud, isn't it? Maybe he's got strep throat. Aniela, I'll give you a £5 if you jump.
£5's not worth, I'm afraid. What about sitting for it?
You get £2.50. This is beautiful, this is. The water is just so, I've probably said this about 1,000 times, the water is just so clear and crisp. It's like a really like pale blue and green colour. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there are so many like really royal blue dragonflies. There's Aniela basking in all the beauty. Oh, look at this one. So I think we've done about 3/4 of the trail now.
Hopefully like 4/5.
There's a lot of different species here. We have seen a European pond turtle, a green aluminous frog, loads and loads of dragonflies.
Rainbow trout.
Oh, rainbow trout, yeah, lots of fishies.
We've seen an Italian chub.
What? Oh yes, slow tourists. This is what they don't show you. People on the trail, and Ash going off course. Oh. Oh, they're on at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And then
So the last route will be on tonight.
They're on now.
Czech Republic v Turkey, and
They're
then
5 minutes
Georgia
into
v
their game.
Portugal are on at 8.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind watching Portugal.
So it'll be 6 and 9 then, local time.
Yeah.
Snakes are good.
It is, especially with my bread belly. Ham, bread and cheese belly. Everything's possible. Feel like a little, oh. And then you're like, and I'm itchy. Yeah, it's right there.
You know you can't get bitten if you're in the cold.
That's a lie.
Well, you can get bitten from the water. You can get bitten.
There's some floating in the water.
Yeah, but they're all dead.
Oh, Jordan, you get one on your leg there.
Where?
I'll say that.
It's alright, still.
You know what we haven't got?
Can't get bit if you're in the water.
Not in the water, am I? I'm getting it now.
Thought we could have some relaxing.
Oh, God. I wore this. Oh, the sun's... Can't really get it. You can go closer. It's playlist.
Yeah, send it to me.
So it's been a few hours later from the pool footage. Don't know if you can hear those musics, but this is Aniela playing her Polish music. I think we're just going to chill for a couple more hours and go out for dinner, I think. Shay's been, oh, you would have seen all the stuff from the waterfalls. So yeah, check in with you later. Push yourself first for a bit. No, you got to like...
Would you go to bed with me?
Aniela thinks she can light.
I have TikTok, so you don't see these videos.
Oh, I can't do
You've not
it.
seen it? When I'm on a date with a 20 out of 10. And rather than being
Oh, why did I do it? I was never going to be able to. You'll never do it again. I can't do it. I did it the first. It's alright. I've got 3 hours of footage. You just light it and put it in toast. Wait. I can't do it to a beat. Why can't I do it? Ash, have you got a lighter? Because I don't actually want to touch that lighter on my toast. It's okay, they're just pulled toes. Local bar. Do you not remember what it was called? No. No. And we're just walking to dinner. We're Pizzeria. I'm going to get a lasagna because I don't want a pizza.
Josh Jr., calm down. You just said I'm not
Josh. Did she just call you Josh Jr.?
Josh Jr.
I always said
You
on the
can
back
get
of the beach,
fucked.
so she's
honestly, there's
Josh-
a fuck you and a get fucked. Wrapped up in one.
Wow. Yeah, wow. Josh always stands on my foot.
Owen Wilson.
Wow. No, it's on this left side.
It's not, it's on the
It's
right.
there, look.
It's on the lefting.
Pizzeria.
Oh yeah, sorry it is.
On the lefting? Oh! Say boom, boom, boom.
Let me say, well. We're going to go to the pizzeria for dinner. If you couldn't tell, we're probably a little bit pissed.
And I'm not even British.
I don't know. If you've lived in Britain for over 10 years, I'd
No, I've
kind
lived
of make
in
you
Britain
British.
more than I lived in Poland.
But she's not British, so don't get that twisted.
I just act like I am.
Say boom, boom, boom. And then he said, whale, whale. Say boom, boom, boom. Say whale, whale. What are you going to order from the pizzeria, Aniela? They better have Prosecco. The bar we just went to didn't have Prosecco, didn't have vodka.
No, they had bottles.
No, I think they have bottles of water because water is called voda.
Yes, voda.
Yeah.
Same as Polish.
Oh, is that what it is in Polish?
Let me say voda.
Voda! And we'll see you in there.
It is right.
You can do it to the bush this time.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. There's Ash's friends. So me and Aniela are going to share a chicken salad.
What are those two things there?
basically CROATIA now.
Sour cream. And then I'm going to have classic lasagna because... Yep, can we... So we've come to a nice restaurant and we're watching the football.
Yeah.
Get me.
And what? And what?
These are a lot bigger than I thought.
Did you all get the same thing? Grilled cheese?
Yes.
Oh, look at that cheese pull.
Cal, you can have some.
It's like we wish great things for our daughter, not to be the laughing stock of the country, but she's already had a noodle.
Lasagna. Sorry. Chicken salad. There is no chicken salad. Half gone. Football. How was your...
Oh shit. You ready for that?
Well, I've got lunch tomorrow now.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Move. Oh, there it
I
is.
thought I was going to be able to do a slice or two. I don't even think I'm going to be able to.
Jesus, you three should have shared a jumbo pizza. Have you got a jumbo pizza as well?
Watch me.
I didn't think
Watch me have a go on that.
What did you get, Aniela?
Just a normal salad.
Just a salad? I thought you got a pizza.
Size.
Oh,
You might as well go for the biggest one.
that's the biggest pizza I've ever seen in my life.
That is, isn't it? We are still having takeaway.
I am actually going to I don't normally take pictures, but...
Me and Aniela are just walking back from dinner. Oh my god.
You don't know Madonna Frozen? Just for the crack up when he sees me playing this to you.
So, turn it up. That is all. But Aniela's song that she used to perform to her parents a lot of the time was Frozen by Madonna. I don't actually personally know the song. Get the lyrics up. I'll learn the words for you, Aniela.
Can you imagine me unraveling from under the blanket?
yeah, that's the problem. I can. Oh. Such a slow song. Oh yeah. It's such a slow song as well.
Yeah.
Were your parents all depressed in the living room watching
do it.
I can't stop snorting. It's too funny. The whole reason we were talking about this is because we were talking about when we were kids, we used to put on little performances for our nan and granddads. So, sorry, there we go. And I was saying that my brother used to perform
I just walk behind
Lord of the yeah, that's actually a better angle, isn't it? Lord of the Flies or Lord of the Dances. And my nan and granddad would pretend it was really good, and now that I look back on it, it was really shit. I now understand why your grandparents love you so much. It's a bit rude that they never put you on Strictly, Aniela, if I'm honest.